Hi guys, welcome back on GSM Div channel help. Today I'll show you how to easily restore your PS4, delete all data and reset all passwords on your account. So first of all you need to go up to your settings and go down to initialization, press X, and now choose initialization PS4. And now you can choose quick or full. For full you have to take several hours, so for now we got a quick version because it's very faster than full. Initialization, and now DNS server cannot be used. Okay, yes. And now our PS4 are gonna resetting with the new brand software without passcode on your console and new fresh system. This take several minutes I think, so you can go and drink some cola if you want. The blue light is in your power button is on, and as you see the utilization is it's up to go. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.